Executive MBA from IIM Ahmedabad 2022, PGPX. Eligibility: minimum 4 years work ex, GMAT/GRE score. Eligibility: minimum 25 years age, bachelor's degree. IIM PGPX deadlines 2023 to 24 round 1, the 20th of June 2022 to the 22nd of August 2022 round 2, the 5th of September 2022 to the 28th of October 2022 round 3, the 7th of November 2022 to the 12th of December 2022. Average GMAT 701. IIM PGPX class has an average work experience of 8 years 3 months. Average GRE score 323. Applicants can apply to the IIM PGPX in any of the 3 rounds. One can apply in all 3 application rounds for IIM PGPX. IIM PGPX ranks 62 in FT MBA 2022 and IIM ranks 1 according to the NIRF ranking. Strong alumni network of 33,000 plus at IIM Ahmedabad, and the 1-year program alumni are around 1,500 plus. Career growth as managers, CXOs, entrepreneurs and industry leaders. In terms of career progression, the IIM PGPX ranks amongst the top 5 programs in the Financial Times. IIM PGPX batch size 140. IIM PGPX has international tie-ups with UBC Sauder, Canada, Warwick Business School, UK, ESCP, Europe, SRA Business School, Spain, Peking University, China, the Chinese University of Hong Kong, Hong Kong SAR for the international immersion. Top recruiters at IIM PGPX placements are Abbott India, InBev, Honeywell, Aditya Birla, Adidas, Bank of America, Oracle, PwC, ICICI Bank, Goldman Sachs, Infosys, RPG Group, Gartner, McKinsey, Microsoft etc. Till 2020, the highest percentage of placements were offered by the IT sector, followed by consulting, BFSI, e-commerce, logistics, pharmaceutical industries at IIM PGPX placements. IIM PGPX offers a great infrastructure, the best faculty case studies and an international learning environment. Selection criteria: work experience, achievements and progress in career, academic focus, leadership potential, interpersonal skills. For application assistance and interview preparation, log on to www.GOALisB.com.